Kalpataru program in Tamil was held recently at Pondicherry. Swamiji personally conducted this special program. Devotees from various corners of Tamil Nadu turned out in large numbers. Participants started checking in early morning to spend the whole day with Swamiji.
கல்பதரு என்றால் அந்த வார்த்தைக்கு ஆன பொருள், நாம் கற்பனையில் நினைத்த எல்லாவற்றையும் தருகின்ற மரம். கல்பதரு, கல்பனையில் நினைத்த எல்லாவற்றையும் தருகின்ற மரம்.
I am Dr. Vasanthi from Bharathidasan University, Trichy. So நான் சமியோட 2009 programs continuously I am attending. So step by step the clarity was give there. நடக்க முடியாம நடந்துட்டு இருந்தேன். இன்னைக்கு அந்த யூனிவர்சிட்டியில் ஒரு நல்ல பொசிஷனில் நிறைய சாதனைகள் பண்ணுறேன்னா that is completely because of Swamiji's grace only. So 2013 I have attended the IA also. Even after us understanding all the completion and whatnot, there is some incompletion inside me. I couldn't understand that is because of the incompletion. I had some suffering. Now I can correlate with all the sufferings which were remaining all these days with the incompletion. So I think the IA extended to Kalpataru and today only it got complete. So whatever Swami gives, it is out of His grace only. He is calling us again and again for all these programs, and with that gratitude and clear idea, we think He will not leave us. He will make us climb up and up until we get enlightenment.
All left with renewed vigor for life, with the confidence that Swamiji was there for them.
Gajamuga Gajamuga Gajanana, Gajamuga Gajamuga Gajanana, Gauri Nandana Nityananda, Gauri Nandana Nityananda, Gauri Nandana Nityananda, Gauri Nandana Nityananda, Gajamuga Gajamuga Gajanana, Gajamuga Gajamuga Gajanana, Girijanandana Nityananda.
Our inner image is like the soap we're trying to catch in the bathtub. So we keep trying to catch it and it slips away. And every time we catch it, it just gets smaller and smaller until the point it just dissolves with the whole water in the bathtub and it doesn't exist anymore. So once we realize the space of reality, what I feel is we won't have anything separate. We'll just be with the whole.
Swamiji told in one of his satsangs that once you complete with your root pattern, rather than incompletions driving your life, your whole life you'll have lots of self drive and you'll be in the space of constant completion.
So I feel that when Swamiji tells I will go into their dreams and enrich them to come, I'll take care of it, I feel that because he knows that he is part of everybody, so he can get into anybody, he can do anything. So that is what I feel. When you are in the space of Shiva, when your inner image, outer image, life image and others image is Shiva, then you know everything is a part of you and whatever you want will just happen around you.
One day one Nayanar was there, so every time his purpose was to just wash the devotees' clothes. Every time his service was to do, his purpose was to do service to devotees. So every day you'll find one or other devotee, she was devotee to do service for them. So every day he used to do this. So one day Shiva wanted to test him. So Shiva himself comes down in a sage form, so to test him. So he asked, Swami, do you want any help? And he says, yes, I just want to wash my clothes. So he says, I will do it for you. So he takes the clothes to the pond and washes there. and the clothes goes away in the water. So again he comes, and Shiva is there, right, in the human form. He shouts. He just, because he wanted to test the devotee, he shouts, where did you put my clothes? He shouts. But then after that he really goes and starts crying to Linga. So beautifully, that's why Guru comes to make us realize. So when Shiva comes down, he sings a beautiful song. I'll sing that. See, he sings, Irukum idathai vittu illada idam thedi engengo alagindrar ஞான தங்கமே. இருக்கும் இடத்தை விட்டு இல்லாத இடம் தேடி எங்கெங்கோ அலைகின்றார் ஞான தங்கமே. So he says, there is zero thing out and in. It's just you. You are everything. So he beautifully comes, and that's why Guru comes for us to make us realize there is zero thing in and outside. You are just everything.
This coming Varanasi inner awakening, I am going to initiate everyone into this third eye awakening and blindfold reading. If the third eye can be awakened fully, not only you will make whatever you dream as reality, you will also realize whatever is your reality itself is one more dream. So Varanasi is the space of third eye. In the space of third eye, awakening your third eye, come to Varanasi to experience third eye awakening this May.